The interface in this video will show you the overall parts of the user experience, all of which will be described much further in the following videos. The first thing you'll notice when you open the user interface is a clear and graphical overview of your and your colleagues' schedules and whereabouts. In the top you can navigate between different types of views depending on how you want to see the calendar, whether it is in days, weeks, or time off. On the left side you have different filters in order to help you find the right content. The first one is the groups filter. Here you can find both groups that are publicly made for you, and you can create groups yourself as well. In the second, you have the My Notices panel. This lets you know about new and old invitations, schedule updates, and etc. on your meetings. The third one is the Meeting Pulse. This allows you to vote on the dates for a meeting to find the time most people are available. The last one is the Legends, which gives you different meetings on different types of appointments, making it easier for you to get an overview. If you go to the right side in the top, you have a search area. Here you can search and filter to find the right content on the right people. All these filters can be moved around to fit your needs. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like it. You can also visit our website for more information and to try it out yourself.